Sustainable manufacturing is the future, and once again, beMatrix is leading the way. Our new factory at the familiar location in Roeselare redefines innovation while staying true to our green surroundings. We practice what we preach. By reusing every material, big or small, we prove that at beMatrix, sustainability isn't just a choice, it's embedded in everything we do. With 210% more solar power, using automated lighting and motion sensors, and eliminating gas consumption, our production runs entirely on green energy with zero fossil fuels. We collect rainwater, minimize waste, and use floor heating to ensure ideal production conditions. By adding 56% more volume to our production hall and tripling our milling capacity, we've optimized for greater output, improved efficiency, and the highest product quality. Our vertical modular storage system compresses over 280 square meters of materials into just 25 square meters of floor space. And with 245% more frame stock locations, we've expanded our inventory, meaning even shorter lead times for our customers. Modularity isn't just for our products. It's part of our workspaces too. They're designed to grow and adapt, because our team doesn't stand still, and neither do market demands. At beMatrix, we're not just designing for today, we're building for the future. A bike-first approach, smart energy solutions, and vertical construction reduce our footprint and preserve nature. Welcome to our new home. Welcome to the future of beMatrix.